ॐ सदा वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा क्षरं समाम्नातं कृस्तं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारञ्च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे परमेश्वरौ. So we are seeing a Tritiya Tatpurusha. I think we had given some homework, no? What is the first one? What is the first sentence? You have written? Tell me first. What? Nipuna. No, Kandukena na. It should be in terms of playing. You can say Krida Kridayam. Krida Nipuna you can say. But Kandukena na. Okay. So he wanted to say that he is expert by ball because he used to play cricket and he is a baller. Therefore he is. So, but it doesn't, Samasa it doesn't happen. So, Kridaya Nipuna you can say. All right. Next. Next one. Panchabhuta Mishra Kim? See, when we Mishra word, when can we use? When one thing is there, rice is there, and you mix the curd. Now, what is there which is mixed with Panchamahabhuta? There should be something sixth though. What is that? So, the word wise it is correct, but idea wise not correct. No, one word I want. Samasa. Okay. Vinodena Mishram. Okay. Means, what is the meaning?
Speech is mixed with
humor. Humor mixed. Vinodena Mishram, Vinoda Mishram. Bhashanam. Okay. Anybody else?
Shiram Mishra. Shira Mishra. Samasa.
Shiram Mishram. What you have written? Shiram Mishram? Chaya, okay. All right. But what is the Samasa Vigraha? Kshira Mishram.
Shiram Mishram.
Kshirena Mishram. Kshira means milk. Mixed with milk. Okay. Anybody here? What is that? Anatma. Anatma? Anatma Mishra. Kaha? Atma. Okay. Anatmana Mishra. Anatma Mishra. Good. Avivekya. Anatma Mishra. Anatma Mishra Atma only. Then it becomes Avivekya. Have you done? Mala Mishram. Okay. Pala. Phala. Okay. Because in pal, I thought in Tamil word you have used. In Tamil, milk is called pal. Okay. So, Phalena Mishram. Phala Mishram. Okay. Anybody here? Rajesh. 1 minute here. I will come to you. Kalena means what? Kala. It's a kala or kala vikala? Kala vikala. What you have written? No. Kalaya, kalaya vikala, kala vikala. Anybody here? Ah. Kalaha Mishra. Okay. Means what? No, no. What is the translation you give? Quarrel. Some word is not there in the Sanskrit, no? Okay. Little bit kalahena Mishra. Mixed with quarrel. Ah, okay. Anybody here? Done? Huh? Ah, tell me. Any word? Huh? Ah. Done? Hmm. Hmm? Huh? Which word, whichever you done? Huh? Ah. Kena nipuna? Huh? Bhakshana? Bhakshanena? Ah, means what? Means what? Generally, we don't say expert. Do you require expertise to eat? Bhakshanena. Huh? Generally, nipuna word grammatically you are right. But idea wise, it doesn't look very palatable. Grammatically you are right. Okay. Bhakshana nipuna. Okay. Anybody else? Hey, you have done that, no? Here. You have done? Huh? Okay. Madhura Mishra. Here, anybody? Ha, Amma. Anything you can say anything, whichever you like the best. Huh? Okay. Kim? Huh? Dhanam? Jalam. Okay. Pushpa Gandhena Mishra. That is appropriate. Dhanam also can be Mishra, no? Currency can be you had put the flowers along with currency in your bank. So it can happen, no? Pushpa Gandha Mishra. Karan, you have done something? Means what? Refine, we have to little bit far-fetched to justify it, but grammatically it is right. Anybody at the back? Vyavaharena Shashla. Okay. Yeah, refine in terms of Vyavahara. Yes. All right. So, all of you have done a good job. Now, we are going to the next one. There is a sutra, Tritiya Tatpurusha, we are entering into that. For that, I will give the sutra. Huh? Tritiya Tatpurusha continues, okay. Correct, very good. I am happy you are so alert. So, Tritiya Tatpurusha continues. Next, second variety of Tritiya Tatpurusha. The first variety is what? The Tritiya Vibhaktyanta Shabda is connected with, is compounded with one of the listed terms. That was the variety, where a word in the third case is connected with one of the listed words. Now, second variety is, the sutra is this, Kartru Karane Krita Bahulam. This is the sutra. Kartru Karane Krita Bahulam. 2:132. Okay. So, this samasa, I will give the example so it will be clear. It will be easy for me to explain. Rina Prataha. Please write down if possible. This samasa, second variety of Tritiya Tatpurusha, is the one where a word ending in the third case having the sense of karta, the agent, or karanam, the instrument, is krita, is a Tritiya Ekvachanam, samasyate, is compounded with a word having krit pratyaya at the end. So, a Tritiyanta Shabda plus Krudanta is samasa. Tritiya Tatpurusha samasa. Tritiyanta Shabda plus Krudanta will form one Tritiya Tatpurusha samasa. Let us understand. Harina. So, example will make it clear. Harina is a Tritiyanta Shabda. I hope it is clear. Harina is a Tritiyanta. Anybody doubt regarding that? Tritiya Tatpurusha will be clear when Tritiya is clear. So, Harina, Tritiyanta Shabda. And this Tritiyanta Shabda should be either in the sense of Kartru, Karta, agent, or Karana. Kartru Karanayo Tritiya. You have studied that Tritiya Vibhakti is used in the sense of Karta also and Karana also. Karta it is used when it is a passive voice. You have studied this. So, either in the Kartru sense or Karana sense, a word which is having the third case at the end, Harina, and it should be either Kartru sense or Karana sense. And then next word should be Krudanta. Krudanta means what? Trataha, Drashtaha. They are called Krudanta. So, Tritiyanta Shabda, first, member should be Tritiyanta Shabda. Not any Tritiyanta. Kartru Karanayoho Tritiyanta Shabda. A word which is having the Tritiya Vibhakti at the end and having the sense of Kartru and Karana. Kartru or Karana. Second word will be Krita. Is a Paniniya language. So, Panini Krita, he wants a Krudanta. Tadanta Vidhi. You will be studying or you might have studied. Tadanta Vidhi you have studied. So, when it is mentioned Pratyaya means we should to understand Pratyayanta Shabda. So, Krita means Krudanta. Krudanta. So, Tritiyanta Shabda plus Krudanta will become Samasa. Tatpurusha. Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Let me write clearly. Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. So, here you see Harina is a Tritiyanta Shabda and it is a Kartru having the sense of Karta. Harina means by Hari. By Hari. Trataha is a Krudanta. Tradhatu and Krudanta. Krut pratyaya rakta pratyaya. Trata means protected. So, Harina Trataha. Tritiyanta Shabda having a Kartru sense and next word is Krudanta. Then these two will form Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa Haritrataha. Is it clear? So, the first word should be Tritiyanta having the either of this sense. Second word should be Krudanta and then they will form Samasa. And it is said Bahulam. You may be wondering what is Bahulam. Bahulam means generally, idea conveying generally. Means every time, even if conditions are formed, sometimes it doesn't happen. That is called Bahulam. Irregularly. In fact, better translation would be irregularly. So here kartru karane indicating trityanta shabda, a word ending in the third case having the sense of agency or instrumentality is connected with a word ending in krut pratyaya irregularly. And bahulam you will be studying in grammar. In a sutra, bahulam is a very good concept. Bahulam means what? Irregular. Like some moody people we say, no? Moody. That's called bahulam. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't do. Even though the favorable condition is there, still they may not do. And sometimes favorable condition is not there, still they may do. So favorable condition is there, generally they should do, but they may not do. And sometimes not there, still they do it. That type of situation is called bahulam. It's a very good concept. If you know this, we can use this. Okay, Swamiji, this person has got this bahulam problem. Not this person, everybody has got bahulam problem. Sometimes all of a sudden we become so enthusiastic in grammar, and sometimes push down. So it is bahulam. So bahulam has got this idea. Anyway, we are not going to deal with so much bahulam, because there are the issues that there are places when it doesn't happen, even it should happen. Like dandena, I should say, I said not necessary, still I cannot remain without telling, so I will tell. Dandena taditavan. So danda is a karana, instrument. Taditavan is a krut pratyaya. So dandena taditavan samasa should happen, but doesn't happen. Why? Bahulam. So condition is there, kartru karane krita bahulam, but still sometimes it doesn't happen. That's why it is called bahulam. All right. We don't bother about bahulam. We focus on this. Okay. Now let us take one more example of kartru. Bhagavata kritam. Bhagavata kritam. So here Bhagavata is which vibhakti, Niklesh? Third case. And which sense, kartru or karana? Bhagavata means? Kartru. Bhagavan. Kritam means done. Done by the Lord. So Lord is what? Karta. So Bhagavata kritam. So here what will be the samasa? Bhagavat kritam. Acha, how Bhagavat kritam, how did we get it? Okay, I will ask somebody. Can anybody explain how Bhagavata kritam became Bhagavat kritam? Can anybody explain? Explain.
We are using the Pratipadika here, and Pratipadika is Bhagavat.
So that's for Bhagavat kritam. So what is the rule applied in converting into Pratipadika? While forming the samasa, supratyaya, case endings are dropped. If they are not dropped, what type of samasa it will be? What type of samasa? Aluk samasa. Last time also I had asked this question. What it is called? Let me write on the board. Please write down in your note. This is my one of the favorite questions, Until you get it, I will keep on asking. It's called aluk samasa. What is the meaning of aluk? Now can you explain? What is aluk? Anybody? Arun.
Aluk means dropping the pratyaya. Aluk means not dropping the.
So aluk samasa is aluk word is which samasa? Not samasa. Tanaya, which? Nan tatpurush. Is a bahuri, nanj bahuri. Look, na vidyate asmin. See, aluk is a qualification of what? Samasa, no? Aluk samasa. So, what type of samasa it is? It is a samasa in which look means dropping, elision, has not happened. Look, na vidyate asmin or yasmin, iti aluk. So, it is what? It is called nanj bahuvrihi. Is it clear why it is nanj bahuvrihi? Huh? Why it is nanj bahuvrihi? Other than? Hmm? What is that person? What is that third thing? Ah. So, it is neither referred to nanj nor it refers to look. It is referred to samasa. So, aluk samasa is that in which look is not there. So, look is not there. So, look not a English look, Sanskrit look. So, look is not there. I hope it is clear. Aluk samasa. So, aluk word is look na vidyate yasmin. All right. Let us go to this one. Bhagavata kritam. Next word. What will be the samasa? Please raise your hand. Tena rakshitam. Tad rakshitam. Correct. How did we get tena to tad? Pratipadika of what? Therefore? Pratipadika is taken by supratyay drop. Okay. Supratyay is drop and what remains? Because whatever you say will not be grasped by me. Our computer will show error. So, so supratyay is dropped and only pratipadika remains to be combined with rakshita. Therefore, tad rakshita. What is the meaning of tad rakshitam? Anybody? Yes. Protected by him. Okay. Now, can anybody give me the example similar where Trityanta Shabda Kartru Arthe and Samasa is formed? Can raise a hand. How many hands are raised? Okay. Hanumata Trata. Okay. What is the Samasa? Hanumata. Hanumata Trata. You have written? You please write. Please write and show it to me. Then I will, little bit small error is there. So we'll correct. Rama Rakshita. Like Hari Rakshita. Na? Rama Rakshita, Hari Rakshita. Hari Rakshita, Harina Trata. Okay, Rakshita. Tena Rakshita, similarly Rama Rakshita. Okay, Rama Rakshita. Anybody? Guruna Trata. Okay, correct. So, Harina Trata, Guruna Trata. Correct. Anybody else? Gajakhadita. Okay. Gajakhadita. Gajena khaditaha means Gajakhaditaha. Okay. All right. So now you have understood that Tritiyanta Shabda, the first member will be Tritiyanta Shabda, Gajena, having the sense of Karta. Clear? Now Hanumata, what did you write? Uh, okay, now good. I will raise a question. So we are not only studying samasa, we are studying along with samasa so many other things also. Hanumata, no? Trataha. So he has written Hanumata Trataha is equal to this is how you have written, correct? Correct. In this, is there any mistake or not? Let us first say. What is the mistake? Huh? So what should be the correct? So mistake is what? It should not be Hanumata. It should be Hanumatrata. Pratipada. Pratipada nahi, Pratipadika. Pratipadika. He said Pratipad. Pratipadika. What is that? Yeah, that is called Gujarati's mind. They are very good in hiding their ignorance. What is the word? Pratipadika. Correct. All right. Not all Gujaratis, okay? I'm just joking, let's say. Because Karan will be angry this way. Huh? All right. One more. Vyasena rachitam. First you tell me, can anybody tell me the meaning of these two words? Okay. So here Vyasena is in which sense? Karta. So what will be the samasa? Can anybody tell me? Samasa will be final form. Samasa. Vyasena. Very good. Vyasa rachitam. Vyasa rachitam. Composed by Vyasa. Okay, so now we'll go to the next one, Karna. Standard example I will give first. Generally in all grammar book we'll find this one. Nakhehi bhinnaha or bhinnam, whatever. Here, nakha is a tritiyanta shabda, nakhehi is a tritiyanta shabda, and it is having the sense of karana. Bhinna means tone apart. That is called bhinnaha. Tone apart. So, nakhehi bhinnaha means tone apart with nails. Narasimha Bhagavan did that, no? The tone apart by nails. Nakhehi bhinnaha. So here nakhe is a tritiyanta shabda having karana. Therefore, samasa will be possible. It will be what? Nakha bhinnaha. Nakha bhinnaha hiranyakashipu dehaha. So body of Hiranyakashipu was nakhehi bhinnaha. Okay. Hastena likhitam. First tell me the meaning. Can anybody tell me the meaning? What is the meaning? Written by hand. Written with hand. Okay. So here hastena, does it fulfill the condition for forming the Tritiya Tatpurusha? Is question clear? What is the question? No, question I am asking.
Does this hasta word can fulfill the condition of the Tritiya Tatpurusha?
Acha. So is it fulfilling? Answer is what?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Hasta is Tritiya. It can be possible. Only one can. Sorry. Because hasta here we use Tritiya Vibhakti.
That is not enough.
And the meaning also is appropriate.
What is the second condition? No, I am hastena, I am focusing.
This would be either karta or karana, sir. Kirish karana, sir.
Correct. That is second condition. Two conditions are required. Tritiya, Tritiyanta, and it should be either of this, Kartru Karane. Karta or Karane. Here it is, which sense? Karana. So, hastena likhitam will be what? Hasta likhitam. Okay. Just for, and some people may be curious that why this specification, Kartru Karane? Because if Hetau Tritiya is there, this samasa will not happen. The example is given. Bhikshaya Ushitaha. So, he stayed there because of Bhiksha. Bhikshaya Ushitaha. Ushita means stayed. A person stayed because of Bhiksha. Bhiksha was available, therefore he stayed there. So here Bhiksha Ushita will not happen because Bhikshaya is not Karta nor Karana. Clear? This is what? Hetau Tritiya. This is called counter example. Vyatireka Drishtanta. The why Kartru Karana is there? Okay. This is how Sanskrit sutras are studied. All conditions will be shaken. Why this Kartrupadam? Why Karana Padam? Because of this reason. Okay. So this is Tritiya Tatpurusha. Now I will give samasa, you can break it. Okay. Manah kalpitam. Acha, manah kalpitam. So here what will be the vigraha? Can anybody tell? Yes, Rajesh. Manasa kalpitam. Real Kartru or Karane? Karane. Even Kartrupadam is done, then also okay. Kartru sense also can be told and Karana also is okay. Either way you can say. If you are considering the person has Kalpita and then through the mind, that Karana. Otherwise Manasa Kartrupadam also is okay. Alright. So projected by the mind. little bit challenging. Tvat kathitam. What is the vigraha? Tvat kathitam. Tvaya kathitam. Tvaya means by you. Kathitam means told. It is tvaya kathitam. Tvaya means by you. Kathitam told. Here it is kartru or karanam? Huh? Kartrupadam. Tvaya kathitam. All right. Huh? Huh? Vishmat, but he takes Adesha of Tvat. Machintitam. Machintitam. Maya chintitam. Correct. Okay. Chintitam. One more ukta. So I hope this kartru karane is clear. Where first word will be tritiyanta, having the sense of karta or karana and combined with krita. But not all krudanta every time it will happen. Like manasa chintayan. Manasa is which vibhakti? Tritiya. Kartru or karane? Huh? But here let's say aham, let me say. Now what? Karane. And the chintayan. Chintayan is a krudanta or not? Is it krudanta? Huh? Chintayan is a krudanta or not? Huh? There are krudanta or not? Which krut pratyaya is added? Huh? Huh? Shatru pratyaya is a krut pratyaya or not? Shatru is a krut pratyaya. You have studied, you will study. So Shatru pratyaya, it is there. And is a krut pratyaya. So condition is fulfilled or not? Manasa is what? Tritiyanta is there or not? Karana is there. Chintayan is what? Krut pratyaya. But still samasa will not be here. Manasa chintayan, samasa doesn't take place. More or less we can say that ta pratyaya is there, it takes place. Ta pratyaya is there like the rakshita, trata, bhakshita, khadita. So there it takes place. All right. So please write 3 examples or 4 examples. 2 of kartru and 2 of karana. Okay. So we'll see in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah.